Being here at the show at the Eurobike 2022, I have to tell you, I got goosebumps. Seeing all these people, 1,600 exhibitors, seeing their passion for each single details, discovering innovations on each single corner of each single hall, and seeing our customers and our team working together. It's so much more than just bikes. It's bikes, accessories, tuning parts, spare parts. It's competition, it's show acts on the outdoor facilities, lectures, etc. So Eurobike is actually the perfect view into the future to see the latest innovation. And for us, it's a perfect place to think about our future product portfolio for 2023 and beyond. I'm amazed and I'm looking forward for the upcoming years because I think this journey is not over, it just has started.